on Swayamprabha channel. Welcome you all for this session. Today I am Anisha Singh going to present a session on getting ready for wage employment. This topic of business studies, chapter number 32. Before we continue, before we start this whole session, I would like to revise few things, repeat few things for you all. And I would like to say Swayamprabha team for giving us this opportunity to showcase the topics and to explain the topics clearly. So PPT is not visible. Is it visible now? Okay, so welcome you all for this session, getting ready for wage employment. Before we start this session, you please repeat, all students, please revise your last topic related to the career options and the self-employment. You must have studied the concept of career and the career options. What did you get to know about the career? आपको career के बारे में क्या जानकारी मिली? जैसे career क्या है? It means a sequence of position in a job or in its progress and actions taken by a person throughout a lifetime. It's a very simple meaning. My dear students, आपने business studies को start करने के बाद बहुत starting में business profession और employment तीन अलग अलग dimensions को study किया था और तीनों dimension किसके under में आते हैं? Occupation. Now occupation. We are considering career as a occupation. And career for everyone, it's very important. It's progress and the action related to the career. It's for the earning livelihood. And a person throughout a lifetime, they are keep busy themselves into earning livelihood. Now let's have, before you choose a career, you start processing that what to choose, how to choose, what career should be suitable for me. So the foundation stone of career building is laid down by the career or an occupation you choose. It means you need to select your career very wisely, very carefully, very accurately. For example, if a person wants to become a banker, then he or she would be should choose to go for ICWA, CA or an MBA in finance. After completing intermediate and graduation in commerce or business administration. So, what do you want to become? That you need to decide, but this decision should be based on your requirement as well as your qualification. Choice of career consists two alternatives. Now you need to decide which way you want to go. There are two alternatives available for your career. The first alternative, wage employment, and the second alternative is self-employment. It means कि आप वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट में जाना चाहते हैं या अपने खुद के एम्प्लॉयमेंट में जाना चाहते हैं. सो देर आर टू ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल फॉर द करियर. नाउ into the continuation, we are going to study about the wage employment in business. What is wage employment? What is the role of wage employment in business? So by today's session, you will get to know, you will be able to understand the meaning and the concept of wage employment. Second, to recognize the characteristic, importance and types of wage employment. You will identify the various sources of information about the job vacancies and the wage employment. Then you will understand the role of employment exchange, the procedure to apply an employment exchange, the various jobs offered by the employment exchange, and the role of different placement agencies in getting the jobs. Before we start discussing about the wage employment, you need what is employment? पहले आपको ये जानना है कि रोजगार क्या होता है. Every individual is get involved in earning livelihood. It means he has to perform certain economic activities to earn the livelihood. Therefore, there is one type of category you need to engage to yourself, that is employment. अब आप employment में क्या करते हैं? रोजगार क्या है? Employment is a paid work agreement. It is a paid work agreement between an employer and an employee. The employer who controls the employee does and where the employee works. Now you need to divide the whole meaning. Employment is a paid work. ये एक पेड वर्क है, यानी कि जब आप रोजगार में सम्मिलित होते हैं, रोजगार में शामिल होते हैं, तो आपके लिए एक क्या शुरू हो जाता है, एक जरिया पेड वर्क शुरू हो जाता है. जो भी आप काम करते हैं उसके बदले में आपको क्या मिलता है, आपका पेमेंट मिलता है. सेकंड, who all are involved in this? An employer and an employee. इसमें दो अलग अलग पार्टीज इन्वॉल्व हैं, an employer and an employee. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या है, एक एग्रीमेंट है, एक एग्रीमेंट इन दोनों के बीच किया जाता है. द सेकेंड थिंग, द एम्प्लॉयर who is an employer, who is that person? The employer who controls what the employee does. Second, and who is an employee? An employee who actually work for others. Now they both are agreeing on certain terms and condition. These terms and condition are employment terms and condition, and these employment terms and condition brings responsibilities and benefits of a job. Responsibilities and benefits of a job on which both employer and employee agreed upon at the time of hiring. जब आपको रोजगार दिया जाता है तो एम्प्लॉयर और एम्प्लॉय दोनों ही एक टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन पर अग्री करते हैं. ये टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन जॉब से रिलेटेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, जॉब से रिलेटेड उनके बेनिफिट्स के बेसिस पर किया जाता है. These terms and condition generally include, in terms and condition में क्या होता है? These terms and condition include responsibilities, working hours, dress code, vacation, sick day leaves, and starting salary, and much more. The code of conduct, the whole code of conduct related to the job. Now, in the continuation, we will understand what is wage employment. Just now you got to know that employment is a paid work agreement. Now, what is wage employment? So, wage employment can be normally and in a very simple words can be defined as, wage employment means serving another person for wages and salary. जब आप दूसरों के और उसके बदले में क्या अर्न कर रहे हैं, वेजेस और सैलरी अर्न कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इज वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. यानी कि आप अपनी एफर्ट्स दूसरों को दे रहे हैं और दूसरे उसके बदले में आपको वेजेस देते हैं, सैलरी देते हैं, तो वो रोजगार कहलाता है आपका वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. नेक्स्ट, अ फॉर्मल मीनिंग ऑफ वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इट इज अ म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन टू पार्टीज. Just now you got to know who two parties. First, employer. Second, employee. So it is a mutual agreement between two parties in which an employee, generally an individual, agrees to work for the employer. And these employer can be an individual, can be a business firm, can be a government office, or any other kind of. So your any. Those who are working with the employers, they are agreeing on certain terms and condition, and the employer agrees to pay them remuneration. This remuneration may be in cash or in kind of his work. It depends upon the work and it depends upon the remuneration criteria paid by the employer. So you need to understand the meaning of wage also. Meaning of wage, it is an assured amount which is agreed upon by both the parties, given to employee on daily, weekly, and monthly basis for his work. If we sum up the whole thing, beta students, the simple meaning is only one, that wage employment is an employment in which one person, an individual, work for others and getting their remuneration. यानी कि आप दूसरों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और दूसरे आपको उसके बदले में वेजेस और सैलरी, जिसे हम एक ही नाम दे सकते हैं, रेम्यूनरेशन, देते हैं. This is wage employment. And who two parties are involved in wage employment? That is employer and employee. Employer, कौन होता है employer? Those who use the efforts of others, those who utilize the efforts of others, and they pay remuneration. Which one is the second party? Employee, those who work for others and they are getting wages and salary for that. So wage employment. Now you take a look on one example. Suppose your friend Ramesh is working regularly as an assistant in any office. Now, if Ramesh is working in any office, what is the basic components of his job? First, he's working. Second, he's an employee. Third, he's getting remuneration. Fourth, he is agreeing on certain terms and conditions. He's working as an individual. He's working as an individual in any business, for an individual, for a business firm, for an office, for a factory, for a shop. He works as an individual for any. Second, he works or he known as an employee because he's working for his employer. Third, he's paid by his employer in the form of remuneration. Remuneration consists wages and salary. These wages and salary may be on daily basis, maybe on weekly basis, maybe on monthly basis. Next, they both employee and employer, they are mutually agreeing on certain terms and conditions, and these terms and conditions being laid down by employer. So this way you can easily identify that your friend Ramesh is working as an assistant in any office and he is pursuing a job this way. Now, Ramesh is pursuing his career in wage employment. You get to know the basic component of wage employment. Now, in wage employment, there are always two parties and employees get wage from the employer to his work. Let's have a difference between two different concepts, that is wage employment and self-employment. Actually, employment is on the basis of two. Either you will go for wage employment or either you will go for self-employment. Self-employment is what you already studied in the previous session. You get to know that if you are pursuing your own work, you get engaged in your own work and you have all gains, all expenditure with you and losses bearing by you only, that is self-employment. So today we are not going to discuss about self-employment much. We are simply making a comparison of self-employment with wage employment because we are discussing about wage employment. जब आप रोजगार के लिए जाएंगे तो आप अपना करियर प्लान करते हैं. करियर प्लान करने के लिए आप रोजगार ढूंढते हैं. रोजगार में भी आपको ये समझना होगा कि क्या आप दूसरों के लिए रोजगार करना चाहते हैं या अपने लिए रोजगार करना चाहते हैं. So you have to understand the basic difference between these two. Let's have a look on certain components of wage employment. First, the status of an individual is that he's an employee. He or she is an employee. Wage employment में आपका क्या स्टेटस होता है? आप एक एम्प्लॉई हैं, एक कर्मचारी हैं. सेकेंड, द इंडिविजुअल वर्क फॉर अनदर. यह कर्मचारी दूसरों के लिए काम करता है. थर्ड, क्या गेन कर रहा है? आय के तौर पर क्या गेन कर रहा है? अपनी सैलरी और वेज. इट डिपेंड. He's like an employee, labor, worker. It depends कि कैसा remuneration उसको दिया जा रहा है. Next, earning is limited. Yes, in wage employment, earning is prefixed or predetermined by the employer. You can't say, you can't change, you can't you can't change it frequently. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी आपकी सैलरी और सैलरी और वेजेस को चेंज नहीं किया जा सकता. दिस इज लिमिटेड, prefixed and another thing, वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट में सुपरविजन और कंट्रोल किसका होता है? जो भी आप काम करते हैं, जिस रोजगार को आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, जिस जॉब को आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उस पर कंट्रोल और सुपरविजन किसका होगा? आपके एम्प्लॉयर का सुपरविजन होगा. आपके जो आपके मालिक हैं, ओनर हैं उस रोजगार के, उनका सुपरविजन होगा. सो बेसिकली वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट, फर्स्ट you will be considered as an employee. Second, you work for others. Third, rated by in the form of salary or wage. Fourth, your earning is limited. Fifth, your work will be supervised by the others. They may be your owner and they may be your employer. Now, what is self-employment? In the comparison of wage employment, in wage employment, you are an employee. But in self-employment, you can be an owner or an employer. Your status is like an owner or employer. You work, okay, for your own goods. Next, your income depends on the productivity of your work. So, income is in the form of salary or wage or profit, which is unlimited, which you cannot fixed, which you cannot prefixed, predetermine. It all depends upon the work productivity you are creating. That makes your earning, that makes your income, their level, everything. So the individual who controls this particular employment, the owner control this particular employment. It means the individual who is having the possession of this employment will control and supervise the whole work, or will supervise his own work. So we can say self-employment, it's like a work for ourselves. हम अपने लिए ही काम कर रहे हैं. हम अपने लिए काम करने का मतलब है कि हम अपना ही वर्क, जो कि इससे रिलेटेड है, हमने अपने आप को एम्प्लॉय किया है. Let's have a look on characteristics of wage employment on the basis of the previous discussion. We just now discussed about the different types of components of wage employment, and one example, the comparison between the wage employment and the self-employment. Now let's have a look on wage employment characteristics and feature. The first feature is there are two parties involved. First, employer and employee. Second, nature, because both the parties are agreed upon terms and condition of employment. रोजगार की जो भी terms and condition है उस पर उन्हें agree करना होता है. Third, their relationship. Their relationship, it means employer and employee relationship only on the basis of the job positions they have. That who is an employer, who is an employee. Fourth, the remuneration. Remuneration in the terms of salary and wages. Next, terms and condition of employment of the nature and the complexity of the work. It means if the nature of a work is of high level, then the terms and condition, the remuneration should be based on that. If the nature of a work is of low level, maybe a clerical job, maybe a labor job, that also describes the remuneration and the terms and condition. So you need to understand that into the wage employment, what is the criteria to find out the remuneration and the terms and condition of the employment. It all depends upon the basis is only one, nature of work. What is the nature of work? Now, look upon the importance of wage employment. What you get with the wage employment. अगर आप अपने आप को इस तरह के रोजगार में लेकर जाते हैं तो आपको क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं? सबसे पहला बेनिफिट है इनकम बेनिफिट. जिसमें आप एक रेगुलर इनकम लेते हैं, रेगुलर एंड स्टडी इनकम आपको दी जाती है. Second benefit, like you will get medical facilities, traveling allowances, housing facilities, loans and advances, insurance, and other old age benefits like pension and gratuity. These all benefits to be provided by the employer. Third, it is pervasive. Yes, wage employment actually starts after self. Can say wage employment is required at every level, at every stage, at every sphere of work. जहाँ भी काम चल रहा है वहाँ wage employment होना ही है. For example, you are a sole proprietor, you are working alone for your business. You need not to get anyone's support. But after a few years, when your business get grow, आपका business बढ़ रहा है, आपके business में expansion हो रहा है, आपको और human resource की ज़रूरत है, then you start hiring the other people. If you are hiring the other people, actually you are giving birth to wage employment for others. जब तक आप खुद का काम कर रहे हैं, खुद से मैनेज कर रहे हैं, कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स कि आप सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में हैं. लेकिन सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में ही हम किसको क्रिएट कर रहे हैं? वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट को. लेकिन किसके लिए? औरों के लिए, दूसरों के लिए. ओके, सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज परवेसिव. हेलो, हेलो, am I connected?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
So we were
yes,
discussing. Okay, sir. Can I continue? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Now, we were discussing about the importance of wage employment, and we discussed income benefit and other benefits and the pervasive that the wage employment is required everywhere. The another is as a career. As a career means like you can adopt wage employment as a career and you can excel to yourself in this particular field. Next, it is less riskier because you are getting a fixed income, you are getting a fixed remuneration on time. It means there is less risk in comparison to self-employment. Next, majority. Majority is like everyone. Minute. Okay. Like majority, everyone is not capable of being self-employed by starting a business or a profession. Wage employment is normally undertaken as a vocation by majority. It means many people, they prefer to be into wage employment. It means they prefer to be in wage employment in comparison to self-employment due to the lack of resources, due to the lack of their skills, or due to the lack of any other kind of resource. Next. After discussing about the importance, we have the types of wage employment criteria. On what basis we decide that what will be the criteria to adopt wage employment? The first criteria is requirement. What type of requirement you have? What type of requirement you have and what qualification you have in that particular area. For example, there are various types of wage employment available for an individual to choose from. However, each type has its own criteria for recruiting people. There is an example. There are some jobs for which the minimum qualification required for an individual is graduation. It means if you are applying for any job and there is a minimum employment criteria, it means we have to at least obtain eligibility as per the requirement of the job, as per the requirement of the vacancy. For an individual, the minimum criteria is graduation these days. For other jobs which are of lower level may require high school or intermediate, or some higher level jobs they require post graduation, some professional and vocational qualification too. So if we are going into the wage employment, there is a criteria to select on the basis of the requirement of the job and on the basis of the qualification you pursue. The next is, what are the types of wage employment? There are two types of wage employment: technical jobs and ministerial jobs. Technical jobs, basically jobs that require some kind of technical skill to perform the task are called technical job. आपको wage employment में दोनों ही स्कोप मिलते हैं. आप टेक्निकल जॉब्स भी कर सकते हैं, आप टेक्निकल जॉब भी कर सकते हैं और मिनिस्ट्रियल जॉब भी कर सकते हैं. टेक्निकल जॉब्स का मतलब क्या है कि जब आप एक टेक्निकल स्किल में अपने आप को माहिर पाते हैं, यानी कि यू आर मच मोर एलिजिबल इनटू दैट स्किल, दैट इज it is like a skill for technical jobs. A mechanic in a motor garage, a welder in a fabrication unit, a chemist in a drug manufacturing unit, a plumber in a water supply unit, an electrician in a repair shop, or DTP operator in a publishing unit. These all jobs jobs, and these are basically clerical jobs in government offices. Ministerial jobs are also included: cashier, accountant, storekeepers, personal assistant, salesmen. These are all ministerial jobs. So here we are not discussing much more about the different types of jobs. We simply discuss about the wage employment, that is of two types: technical, in which the two types of jobs are comprising technical and ministerial jobs. By this you can get to know that how the self-employment generates wage employment, what is wage employment, how people are engaged in wage employment, and identify whether the following. Now you look upon the questions, you find out by yourself that which statement is showing self-employment or wage employment. The first thing, Gopal works as an assistant in a private office. Can you just think about which type of employment is it? Gopal works as an assistant in a private office is an example of wage employment. Suresh runs a restaurant in the central market. It is a self-employment. Every month Suresh gets a fixed income. That's a wage employment. Sarita earns huge profit from her tailoring shop. That's her self-employment. And the scope of earning of Mr. Anthony is unlimited. That is also self-employment. So here are few questions and examples on self-employment and wage employment. All right, students, you get to know few things about wage employment, the meaning, the importance, and the types of wage employment. Now, hereby we finish with the topic of wage employment, but now you need to understand how to get ready for this type of employment. आप एक कैंडिडेट होकर अपने आप को किस तरीके से इस रोजगार के लिए तैयार करेंगे, आप कैसे इसके लिए अपने आप को एलिजिबल बनाएंगे, कैसे आप इसमें अप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ टू गेट रेडी फॉर एन एम्प्लॉयमेंट. रोजगार में जाने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट में जाने के लिए आपको क्या करना होता है, प्रोसीजर वाइज आप समझते जाइएगा. जैसे सबसे पहले आपने ये डिसाइड करना है कि आपको कौन सा करियर ऑप्ट करना है. So once you decide to earn your livelihood by pursuing the wage employment, you should be ready to work as an employee. अगर आपने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि आप वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट के जरिए से अपनी लाइवलीहुड अर्न करना चाहते हैं, तो इट मीन्स कि अब आप कोई भी कंपनी, फर्म, बिजनेस, ऑफिस में क्या बनने के लिए तैयार हैं? कर्मचारी बनने के लिए तैयार हैं. लेकिन क्या आप एम्प्लॉय ऐसे ही बन जाएंगे? नो, there is a complete procedure to become an employee. Now you have to work under certain terms and condition of employment. If you want to become an employee, you have to work under certain terms and condition and getting a fixed amount of salary and wage as remuneration. Before we go for the further explanation on getting ready for employment, let's have a 2-minute break, and after 2-minute break we'll come back and join for the further explanation.